the bleach blonde hair. Be a rock star. See if we got any buy stops for me. What's up, peeps? What is up, peeper weepers? Got it out, precious. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? All right, I have no idea what's going on. All right, now, how do we get this thing going? I think we're on YouTube. Yeah, I think we are. Let's get it set up on TikTok. Boom, baby, boom, baby, boom, baby, boom. All right. Okay, looks like some of my emails are out. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Let's get this done. Let's get that. Let's go over here. Skip the ad. Go over to here. Go over to the safetytrade.com. Yep, we're the only live one. Got to lower it because otherwise I'll hear myself all day long. All right, peeps. Are we switching? SPX ES1 1 second buy stop to the blue line. I have no idea if that's accurate. Please check that. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am not a financial advisor. Oh, I thought I saw Keith on here. I was laughing. All right. One second. There's SPX. Let's see ES1 to the 1 second. Oh, there it is. So the ones. Let's go to the 5 second blue lines. We're going to make it there. I have no idea. I have not looked at these charts at all. Yeah, it looks like it. YM. Buy stop to the 5 second blue lines. All indices. Buy stop to the 1 second blue. Yep, there we go. It's already there. ES1. All right. Let's take a look. Maybe YM1 first. Then look for your sell stops to kick in. We have to readjust this to the 15-minute blue line. So we're going to take this one out. We're going to make this 10-minute, and we're going to take this one out. We're going to make this one 15-minute, and let's see where we're at. I'm going to be a rock star with the bleach blonde hair. 15-minute hit. 15-minute sell. Oh, look at my call. I said Wednesday or Thursday we'll see the 30-minute. It looks like I was a day late, huh? Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Looks like it's Friday and we've hit the 2 hour. Look at this stuff. Oh my gosh. Man, that's prophetic. Any rate. Yep. Where are we at? We live over here, negative. Let me get this set up on YouTube. Let me grab this right here. Grab those. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Buy stops to the 1 second blue line, then look for a sell stop to the 30-minute blue line on NAS 100, NQ1, SPX 500, and ES1. It's in the game. I am not a financial advisor. Yeah, I am not a financial advisor, and that's for fucking sure right there. Oh, man, I forgot to monetize my one thing. I make like $200 a month on it. So funny. YouTube. All right, let's get this one set, though. That's probably why I didn't do it yesterday. What's up, peeps? hopefully, I think rather soon. Now we're going to be going to Ohio next week, but I'm still going to get some time in. I think I'm going to be able to be on. I'm going to shoot for 8 until 9:45 every day, 9:35 every day. That's what I'm going to be doing with the bleach blonde hair. Yeah, I want to be a rock star. Wow. This hater's a this guy's funny. This guy's a clown, simple and humble, huh? Uh, there's haters out there that waste their time. I have no time for them. Go live your life, bro. Go live your life. People are nuts. I swear to God. It's a clown world we live in. A clown world. What a boy. Oh, good morning. Where are we at, everybody? I'm sorry. What time is it? Shit. Okay, I got 8 minutes to say good morning to everybody. All right. What time is it now, though? What day is it? Claudio Brunati. Here, Piggy Piggy. Good morning, here, Piggy Piggy. I think you're the first one on the last one. Good morning, Henry. Good morning, Claudio. Good morning, Neville. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Orlando Walders. Good morning, Bob Ooten. What's up, Bob? Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Brian Claus. Dark Lights. Good morning, Fletch, Techman, Filio. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Henry again. Old School Mick. Super Z, Dan, Dr. Onefly, Ray, Larry Cooper, Lazarus, Nadal, Techman. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Hey, let's everybody sing the song together. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Why are they gonna hate? Because they have no lives.
Demo trade only. I am not.
All right. I have no idea what's going on. I have not looked at these charts. Let's wait for the 1 seconds to flip, though. We need a pullback. Obviously, this shit's been getting rocked downward. Have we hit the daily? Is it daily engaged? Hold on a second. I want to be a look at this shit. Let's go to daily really quick. No. No, the only daily you could possibly have been in on a sell would have been the US 30, and you would be locked in profit right now. No other dailies have kicked in. So be careful with this daily sell stop, okay? Be very, very careful with it. Let me look at the weekly now. Oh, no, it's a penny. Buy stop, weekly, US 30, YM1, take profit 1 has already been hit. Actually, you're in it. Take profit, whatever this is, 2 for US 30. 42,731. Take profit, whatever this would be. Another US 30 weekly buy, 43,816. Ooh, YM1, US 30, buy. NAS is already there to the take profit. NQ1 is already there to the take profit. We have a little room on SPX. SPX is 6,003 for your take profit on that. Let me see over here on, these are weekly, by the way, and we're right there on ES1. I mean, we do have a little bit of room for the buy on these. 6,048 on ES1. And that's about it. These are weekly buys. I don't give a shit what's happening on the daily. You can do the daily sells if you like. Feel free. I never do a sell on the indices because they're always buys. They're permanent buys unless otherwise noted. In order for these to flip over to a sell, either daily or weekly, we're going to have to wait for this to occur. Do I have time to teach you guys anything? This is what it is. It's going to hook. Well, your orange line is going to come down. Let's just do that. And then after the orange line comes down, price action is going to hook and come underneath, and it will hook and come back up, and that'll be our first sell to the blue line. We have to wait on a minimum daily for this to occur. So right now we're at a permanent buy, and I don't give a fuck how low it goes. Good morning, Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Richard Tuck. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning to my haters. Oh my God. Get a life. All right. Anywho, these are for USA. Now I want to go over to gold really quick because I am very intrigued with gold. Oh, gold is gorgeous. 3-week buy stop on gold. Let me see my weekly on this gold. Yes, the pink line is down. Why didn't Kim or somebody tell me this? Wait, we're not on gold. Fuck, we're not on gold. Hold on. Pink line's almost down. We got to wait. Nope, got to wait on gold. It is a daily, weekly buy stop on gold. Yeah, you got to wait. There's nothing we can do. It's probably a 12-hour buy stop gold. I can call this if you like. 12-hour buy stop gold already hit take profit 1. The yellow line already hit the orange line. 3,382. Damn, I have no time in the mornings. Don't worry, it'll be more time soon. 3,429, 3,500 on gold. All right, now there is a sell here. Hold on, let me go down to a 10-second sell. Let's see what we got going on with gold. Sell to the blue line, take profit 1, 3,345 for gold. I'm not going to call gold and sell the gold because gold's a permanent buy also. What I am going to do, though, is we're going to go right back to here. Oh, yeah. Yay, 1 second, 5 seconds hit. Let's go to the 10-second. Oopsie, hold on. There you go. My little callouts were right after all. 10-second buy stop to the blue line. US 30, 10-second buy to the blue line. Let me see YM. YM is going to be the exact same thing. Come on, let's hear a whole bunch of dings this morning. Man, it's been too quiet. Let's go over to the better choice here seems to be SPX to the 5-second blue line. Let me see what that's like. Yeah, it's going to go right back to the blue line. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. You can play these buys or you can wait for the sells to the 30-minute, 20-minute blue line. I'll have to check that in a minute. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line, SPX. Buy stop to the 5-second blue. Why am I not hearing anything? What the fuck is going on? Whoa, what the fuck? ES1, it's in the game. Buy stop. Haters gonna hate. Hate me up. Hey, I love it. Come on, haters. Hate some more while we make money for everybody. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, US 30. All we do is that. It's going to touch it right now, but I'm going to put this right here. That's my alerts. That's my alerts. Buy stop, baby. Listen to the money talk, peeps. Listen to the money talk. 1 minute to market open. Do I want to play any market open? I don't know. I haven't played a market open yet. Maybe we'll see. Here we go. Let's see if we're going to put in a little buy. I don't know what I don't know. Let's see. And let's see if we're going to put something there on little NAS. And we'll just see what happens. Buy stops are in place for market open. Be ready. I'm going to watch NAS and US 30 very closely. I want to see if we can get them to the 10-second blue line on all indices. We want these to turn green right here. If we can get that, awesome. If we can't, so be it. We're looking for touchdown over here. I think they know what the sniper is. Rocks of ages. You do not. You're welcome, Alex. Market open. Hold right here. Stay right here and wait. Just wait. Buy stop, 5-second blue line, US 30. Buy stop, US 30 to the 10-second blue line. Let me check NAS real quick. Same thing. NAS is in the money. You can close down your NAS trade if you'd like. You're in the money on US 30. You can close down US 30 buys. You can close down US 30 buys. Feel free to close down US 30 buys. You're in the money on US 30 buys. You're in the money on NAS.
Not a
You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on NAS. You can close down those trades if you like. Feel free. Nice. Beautiful trades this morning. Easy money. You can close down those trades if you like. Feel free. Feel free to close down your trades on US 30 in the money. Feel free. You're in the money. There you go. There you go. ES1 is in the money. ES1 is in the money. NAS is in the money. NAS is in the money. SPX is in the money. NAS is in the money. SPX is in the money. NAS is in the money. NAS is in the money. NAS is in the money. SPX is in the money. I'm closing down. Oh, here. There's some of my trades right there for you. I'm going to close down a couple of these trades right here. Boop. I'm going to leave one open. I'm going to move this into break even. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on NAS. Let me get over here to my break even line. Let's go up to here. You're in the money on all indices. You're welcome. You're in the money on all indices. You are welcome. You're in the money on all indices. You are welcome. Thank God. Thank God. Thank God. I'm leaving mine open. That's how you trade market open. For all the haters out there, you can suck it. Woo! There's some more money, baby. There's your 5 seconds. You're in the money on your 10 seconds. There you go. There you go. Everyone should be thanking God right now. I don't see any thank you gods. I can make this a really short live. Ricochet, buy, stop back to the blue line, US 30. Buy, stop back to the blue line, US 30. You're going to see it go back up to the 10-second blue line. YM1 is a ricochet also. I could tell you that without even looking. It's going to go right there. Let me see NAS now. NAS is in the money, and you can call it again. It's going to go right back up to here to the 10-second blue line. You're welcome. And that's how you do an open, ladies and gentlemen. You make money every open with me. Tell your friends. Don't be shy. Don't be a hater. Go get a life. People are so weird. We are in a clown world. Clown world. Oy, oy, oy. All right. You're welcome, Mike Lewinsky. SPX 30-minute blue line, says Brian Flores. I don't know, and I don't fucking care. I'm playing these buys, and we're making money. I'm helping you make money. I want to see thank yous from everybody, and your welcomes. Look at that. Nice. Little $7,000 for the morning. Little $7,000. Little $8,000 for the morning. Little $7,000-8,000 for the morning. Little 8, 7, 8, 7, 8 grand for the morning. Maybe we can make it 9. Maybe we can get to 10. Woo! If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Come right over to here. SafetyTrade.com. Buy the system. Don't be a hater. Be appreciative I'm here sharing this with you. I have to do none of this with you all. I have a very tight group of people. Look at that go, baby. Look at that go. 10 grand. 10 grand. Told you. There's 10 grand. There's a 10 banger for you. 10 grand. 11 grand. 11 grand. Do we hear 12? Do we hear 12? This is fun. You guys, oh, there's other trades. He has other accounts. He has this. He has that. He has 11,000. Fuck you, all you fucking haters. Go rot. Get lives. Get the fuck out of here. All these people are so fucking, I don't understand. I'm on here helping you all make money every fucking day. But yeah, go be a hater. Douches in this world. Look at it go. Look at it go. 11,000. Do we hear 12? Do we hear 12,000? I don't know. Do we hear 12,000? Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. This is fun as fuck. Look at this go. NAS in the money. SPX in the money. YM1 in the money. Look at all of them, all to their blue lines, all to their, as I drew out, as I told you before it happened, as I put the fucking arrow here telling you where this is going to be. I don't know if he knows how to trade. I don't know. Oh, wait. Well, his stuff is flashing $12,000 now on a trade, $13,000 on a trade. But you're right. You go be a hater. Haters gonna hate. This is so much fun. Oh my God, I love shoving it down haters' throats. Woo! Fun times, peeps. Fun times. Do we hear 14,000? Can we get 14,000 this morning? I don't know. I know I have a risk-free trade going, though. Yeah, baby. You're welcome, Jacob Silvas. This is fun. Dark Lights. Good morning, Little Joe. Dark Lights, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Miami Rocks. Good morning, Julius. Good morning, Trade Gun. Good morning, Lazarus. Good morning, Henry. Woo, that was fun. That was fun. Don't trade open because you don't know what the fuck you're doing. But if you actually know what the fuck you're doing, you can trade open just quickly and demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Michelle Glowinski. It's my time. Jacob, Miami Rocks, Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry Techman, Ryan, DDDR, Rainman, Ollie, Vibrator Salesman, all about Tom and Jerry. Those are some unique names. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Erica and Botinator. Good morning, Kirk Brown. 14th. Do we hear 15,000 next? Do we hit 15,000 next? I don't know. 14,000 is pretty good for a morning. Fuck you, haters. You keep hating, I'll keep making fucking money, dumbasses. There's a dingy lady and a dingy guy that are just like two haters. They won't get a life. Rocks of ages. Wow. All right. Old School Mick. Good morning, Old School Mick. God bless you, sir. Good morning, Tank Dog. This is fun. Oh, yeah, 15,000. Do we hear 16,000? Do we hear 16? We hit 15. Do we hear 16? Do we hear 16? Oh, come on, peeps. Come on. I'm locked in guaranteed profit. My stop loss is in profit. Doesn't matter what happens at this point. I made money. I've already closed down, 3 or 4 other trades. They all made money. Can we get 15? Can we hit 16? Fine. We'll wait. All right. Now, some of you might not understand how I do this, so I recommend strongly you go over and buy the safety trade system right here, 575. We don't do the 77s anymore. It's sold out. Hell, I'm not even sure that any of these are left. Hold on. 3 left. You're okay. I'll refresh that, or Bree will refresh that later. SafeTrade.com. If I can do it, you can do it. If my members can do it, you can do it. If we can be consistently profitable traders, you can be consistently profitable traders. If my members can be consistently profitable traders, so much so that one of them literally, the last 3 years has been using my system and has been Norway, has made him a regulated, registered broker, Hero Markets. One of my members is so accurate with his trades, he has his own regulated by the government of Norway trading platform. He is a regulated broker. So I'm going to go ahead and say, if he can be that consistent, you guys can do that too. What do you know? And there it is. That was drawn out for you. There's the arrow I said to the 10-second blue line. Just saying. Hope you all caught a little of that action. Remember, you are just strictly in a buy mode. I don't give a fuck. You can go ahead and play. Let me write this out for you because some of you really have short-term memory issues. Even my members of my thing. For US 30, YM1 NAS, demo buy stops, the US 30-second blue line. I'm going to say 15-second blue line. Actually, I'm going to rephrase that to 10-second blue line. And then, here we go. All right. Same for ES1. Then 10-minute sell stops. Nope. Now we're in, let's see, maybe 20-minute sell stops. Let's get rid of this real quick and take a look. Haters gonna hate. Hate me up. People. Fucking rocks of ages. Let's do a 22-minute. I don't know where the hell I came up with that number. Let's see. Is anything to the 22-minute blue line? I don't know. I make shit up. It doesn't even, I have no idea, but it works. Yo, what's going on? Why isn't it moving? Hello? 15-minute, 22-minute, 45-minute. Let's go back to 30 then. I'll call the 30 if we have to. Yeah. Sell stop to the 20-minute. I'm guessing blue line. I have no idea. If you want to do that. Oh, let me go back here. All right. So this was to the 10-minute, which absolutely worked out to perfection. You're welcome. The buy stops worked out perfection. You're welcome. Instead of hating, how about you be appreciative and be thankful? 20-minute sell stop to the 20-minute blue lines. Then a 2-hour buy. That is, yeah, it is. Nope. I'm still going to call the 2-hour buy. It's probably a 3-hour. Daily sell, weekly buy stop, which we're in and I love best. That is correct. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And those are the same trades I called out yesterday and the day before that and the day fucking before that. But some of you still can't understand my words I speak. So there you go. Here it is again. This is the same exact wording I used for the last several days. Same exact wording. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stops. You can play the sells if you like. I never touch the shells. Whoever posts another news story and tells that's why it goes up is going to get banned from the Discord for a month. Let me be clear on that. We don't fucking trade the news. We don't talk about the news. Let me be clear on something. Let me be 100% motherfucking clear on something, okay? Let me be 100 fucking percent clear on something. All right? When there is, say, for instance, I'm just going to go up here. There's a 3-month buy stop. And let's just say it's a 3-month buy stop on Bitcoin. We'll go down a little bit. We'll go to weekly. Oh, we're going to have to go to daily. All right. No, we don't. It was a weekly. Oh, it wasn't showing for you guys. Don't know what that is on a fill in the gap. All right. So we're going to go to a daily buy stop on Bitcoin. Let me be 100% clear. 100% clear. Because some of you still think the news matter. You're not understanding what I'm telling you. Let me be 100% clear. The news does not matter. Okay? If there is a, I don't care, daily or weekly or monthly, right? Buy stops or sells, doesn't matter. Price action will go up regardless of the news. Now, would anybody like to send in an email? Anybody at all like to send in an email with their phone number and argue this with me? I don't give a fuck. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. The quote unquote stupid ass motherfucking technicals. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Earnings doesn't matter. Your RSIs or candle patterns. It's going to go fucking up no matter what. Am I clear on this? Yes or no? Am I clear on this point? Because if I see one more of my fucking members post in my fucking Discord something about news mattering, I'm going to fucking ban them for fucking life. Am I clear? Yes? That news does not matter at all under any regard on the now short term. Oh, it bumped up because of Colin Powell spoke about. So who the fuck cares? Who the fuck cares? God, if I don't see sevens and yeses, I'm going to get the fuck out of here and never come on for a week. Because this is bullshit. Some of you are just so not thinking clearly. I'm trying to be as nice as I can with my wording. The news does not fucking matter. Not a little bit, not a lot of bit, not any bit. Am I clear with this? I get sick of saying it over and over again. When I see it happen in my fucking Discord, it pisses me the fuck off. Who is that ignorant to post a news article? Who is that ignorant to do that? Wow. You're lucky you still have access. The news Do not ever post about the news in here again. I swear to God. I mean, I beat it into your guys' heads. It's in the rules, and yet some clown still decides to do that. Get the fuck out of here. Hope I'm clear. Hope I'm clear. Hope I'm clear. Okay. I mean, come on. It doesn't matter. I just saw a post about gold's being supply being doubled again or some shit, and gold goes up. It doesn't matter what they tell you. I swear. It's like beating my head against the wall. It's like literally beating my head against the wall. Craziest shit I've ever seen. So you guys think news matters. God almighty. Stand purchases. We don't need that email. All right, peeps. Does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? That's including haters. Yet again, I have a scroll on the bottom of my thing saying, call in if you have any questions. Send me your phone number. I'll talk to you. It has to be an American number. And yet no one ever does. I don't have one email from any hater. I don't have one email with any hater willing to call in and talk to me. I don't have any emails from anybody that's like supposedly a professional trader. Just send your number in. I'll call you on a live. Simple as that. You know, I've had this offer open for the last over 3 years now on TikTok, over 3.5 years, almost, well, definitely 3.5 years. It was January of 3 years ago. So over 3 years now, 3.5 years. And no one's ever called up to debunk me. No one's ever called up to try to trade against me. Where's all these great traders that trade lives? You know, where are they at where they say, don't trade on Fridays because it's a trap day. Don't trade on Mondays because it's a trap day. Don't trade on all these different time frames because it's a trap day. Don't trade on Sunday night. It's a trap day. Don't trade NFP. It's a trap news thing. Don't trade CPIs. It's a trap news. Don't trade, oh my God, you can't trade every open every day because it's a trap. It's a trap. You can't do it. All they are is scared traders that don't know what the fuck they're doing. They don't know how to trade. Name another trader besides me who trades every morning, shows you his trades with you, most not every time, because sometimes I'm busy and I don't have time to trade with you. I'll draw it out. I'll tell you where it's going. I tell you where it's going beforehand. Name another trader that does that every day for the last 3 years. I love to meet them. There's no one out there that does what I'm doing. I'm here to help you every day. What you're paying for is my expertise. What you're paying for is my knowledge and how to trade. What you're paying for is actual indicators that work. That's what you're paying for. Money sign on Uno reverse means going to blue line, 4-hour US 30 flashing one. 4-hour US 30 flashing one. Let me see the 4-hour. I don't know. I'm trying to stay focused. Everybody wants to go off focus over here. He said 4-hour. Let's see the 4-hour. You're welcome, Techman. Oh, Techman thanked me on both. Thank you, Techman. 4-hour. Flashing a money sign. The flashing of the money sign means that the 4-hour, let's go over to 4-hour, is ungodly, is what that means. Watch. That means you have a buy stop on all indices. You have, look at the sniper. Look at the sniper. Some clowns out there trying to say, this is free. It's out there. It can't be. I invented it. It's all customized. People are just mentally clownish, I swear. This is a custom indicator 100% created by me. And yeah, sniper, 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 sniper. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. So yes, this is flashing a money sign. It must have dipped under. I don't see it right here, but maybe it's under it right there, that little bit. I'm surprised it's not flashing a money sign on the 3-hour. Hold on. Yeah, This is technically a money sign 3 hour. We might not have it coded for the 3 hour. Keith can only code so many things, poor fellow. Please keep him and my wife and everybody we know and love, care about it in your prayers. But this is actually a money sign fly for the 3 hour buy stop. Yeah. They're just giving you a better entrance right now. It's all there. See how it's below the blue line on the US 30 and it's above it on all of these? These are just perfect buys. I might go jump back in on a NAS one. But that's what the money sign. When you see the flashing of the money sign, that's Keith's funniness. He's so fucking cool. He's telling you this is a fucking money shot is what he's telling you. I'm trying to keep it as clean as possible. But yes, this is no one. Do not email in asking for anything else. This is closed now. This is beta being tested. We have the signal alert one over here, which is being tested. You guys may not be able to get that for a month, but this one's going to be finished up here very shortly, within a week or two. That'll be done. No one does it like you. Thank you, Erica. One person said that. We have about 80 people watching, and one person said that. Wow. You're welcome, Henry. Yeah, just learn it. When you understand these indicators right here, the rifles on steroids, we'll call it steroid rifle, right? Rifle on steroids, ROS. This thing right here, when you understand what this is doing, I don't even see how you could possibly miss a trade again in your life. You want to be consistent. Buy the system, buy the sniper, and buy the rifle, and then you'll get all this. Holy shit. Or just take my trades for free and get bad karma, and eventually it'll catch up to you and you'll lose all your money. Either way, I don't care. All right. Any questions over anything? Haters got anything you want to speak up now and say? Haters? Anyone hating? Anyone out there hating? Anyone at all? If you do, please let me know. Just waiting. Anyone that would like to say any kind words, you can speak up now and say kind words. How about that? Ah, this is fun. What a blast. What am I at? Do I still have the trade open or is it dipped? Oh, trade's still open. We're still rolling. I think it's going to go up a good bit, actually. I think we might have a run here. Kind of hoping we avoid that 22, 25, and 30-minute sell stops. And I didn't say we're going to avoid the daily, by the way, for those of you out there that are saying what I said. I said I pray to God we avoid the daily sell stop. Otherwise, Trump's ass is going to be in the grass. That would mean, fuck. That would be really bad if these dailies engage. You do not want to see a daily sell stop. That means the world economies would be crushed. That would mean America's economies would be crushed. But it can happen. They're all still sell stops to the blue line daily. Make no mistake about it. I've called out your numbers for these trades. The daily still can engage. I'm just praying to God it avoids it. And we are in the middle of this weekly buy. I mean, it can hook, it come back down, blah, 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 but fuck it. I'm just going to say the weekly. And we already hit take profits on the weekly. All my weekly take profits are hit. I'm so thrilled. The only one you got a little room on is SPX. Maybe a little bit of NAS. They all were hit. US 30 still has some. Okay, so there's two symbols still have a little room to move. You're welcome, Henry. Not the man. Dark lights. Nice words, Kev. You have nice teeth. Oh, thanks, dark lights. I really don't, but thank you. Thank you for doing a system. Yeah. All right. To all the people doubting that don't have the system, it works. I get it. Oh, get it. Thanks, Kev. Oh, thanks, Botnator. Botnator's been with me forever. I think that mofo's been with me. I don't know. I'll keep forgetting, but I think Botnator's been with me 3 years, 2.5, 3 years, something like that. All right. All right. Yep, that's about all I got. I'm going to go ahead and kill TikTok. God bless you all on TikTok. Have a great day. I do not know if I'll be on later today. Doubtful. Tomorrow, I'm going to go on a lot of live on Saturday, Sunday, and I think Monday. I should be on a lot of lives on there. I'm going to get back to teaching you all and answering your questions and everything. Okay. Talk to you later on TikTok. God bless. Thank you for being there. All right. YouTubers. I'm going to go ahead and roll. Now, just for argument's sake, let's be clear. Watch, I'm going to do something funny. So who was that hater dude that was in our group? Right. Here it is. These are my trades, but look, there's no other trades open. Sometimes I show my money and stuff. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I show what's going. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's just the way it was open. It might be open really big and long. Sometimes it's not. God. Those are my 3 trades I have open. One's locked. Oh, they're all 3 locked in profit. One's from today locked in profit. I think we might get a good push on this. All right. Thank you all for being here. God bless. Hope you all have a wonderful day. Talk to y'all later.